Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can format a laptop with Windows 11. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a full backup of your data, your laptop plugged into power, stable internet connection, your Microsoft account login details. This ensures a smooth installation process. After that, you gotta reset the PC. This is the simplest way to format your laptop. So you gotta go to settings and then go to system. Here, you gotta select recovery from these options and then click on reset this PC and click reset PC. You'll see two options: keep my files, which will remove apps but keep personal files; remove everything, which will fully format your laptop. You gotta select remove everything for a complete format. And after that, you gotta choose how you want to reinstall Windows. Cloud download, which will download fresh Windows. And then we have this local reinstall, which will use existing files on your PC. I suggest you to use cloud download because that is cleaner and more reliable. And after formatting, you can choose your region and language, connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Microsoft account, and your laptop will feel like brand new. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.